Hey guys, this is your level 2 DIY number 4. It's called Find 10, and what you're going to do here is highlight the sums of 10. So basically you're just going on a hunt for equations that equal 10, and when you find them you're going to highlight over them, which means you're going to need a very light colored crayon. You don't want something dark like blue because then the equations won't show through. Find you a very light crayon that can act as a highlighter. And let's just look at each of these equations and see if they equal 10. Okay, so I'm going to start in this corner. So I'm thinking to myself, does 6 plus 5 equal 10? Okay. Well, I'm going to punch the greater number and count on 5 fingers to see if I land on 10. So the greatest number is 6. So here I go. 6, and I'm going to count on 5 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, well that one equals 11, and I'm trying to find 10. So, do I want to highlight this one? Nope. Okay. And if it works for you, you can mark out the ones that don't equal 10. Let's move on to 9 plus 1. Again, I'm going to punch 9 and count on 1. 9, 10. Oh, there's one that equals 10. So I take my light color crayon and I color over it. I bet there's a doubles that you can find pretty quickly that equals 10. Do you see it? 5 plus 5 equals 10. I'd get my crayon and I'd color over it. I see another one that equals 10. That has a switcheroo. Okay. 10 plus 0 equals 10. I could highlight that. And then look over here. Somewhere I see the switcheroo where they've just flip-flopped these numbers. If 10 plus 0 equals 10, then 0 plus 10 equals 10. I think I told you it was up here, but let's talk about that. Are these switcheroos, or are they the exact same equation? They're the exact same, aren't they? But there is a switcheroo to this guy. 10 plus 0 equals 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10. And I think I see that another time in there. So remember, try and solve every single one. Well, actually, don't try and solve. Go ahead and solve every single one. And highlight with a super duper light color all the equations that equals 10. All right. Good luck, friends. Watch this again if you need to.